Hi, welcome back to Tiffin and Meals. Today's recipe is restaurant style egg gravy. I have taken one onion finely chopped, two tomatoes chopped, one onion diced, and one bell pepper diced, few cashews, one green chili, ginger, a small piece, and 12 to 13 pods of garlic, curry leaves, coriander leaves, and salt, fennel, peppercorns, then cinnamon and oil, and 2 eggs sliced. To a blender, I am putting in the dried spices, green chili and ginger, garlic, curry leaves, cashews, and half of the sliced onions. Add some water and blend it to a fine paste. I am going to blend the tomatoes to a puree. I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Let the oil get heated for a while. Now I am adding the remaining sliced onions to the heated oil. Give a good stir to the onion. Add a pinch of salt so that the onion will turn to brown faster. After the onion gets browned well, I am adding the ground paste to the pan. Now I am giving a good stir till the raw smell disappears. I am putting in the tomato puree into the pan. Give a good stir to the masala. I am stirring it well so that the masala gets blend well. I am adding 2 teaspoons of sambar powder to the masala. Now add chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Now I am putting in the diced onion and bell peppers. Let the masala get coated all over to the vegetable. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the mixture. I am pouring in 1 cup of water to the pan. Mix well. Now I'm going to cover it and put it under medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the oil floating on top of the gravy. Now I am putting in half teaspoon of pepper powder. After giving a good stir, I am putting in the sliced eggs to the masala. Coat the eggs with the masala. Cover and put it under simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Restaurant style egg gravy is ready to be served. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Tiffin and Meals.